The AWithZ 10000mAh spot welder delivers reliable portable power that is well suited for building and repairing small battery packs at a workbench or on the go. Its ability to switch between a foot pedal and hand trigger makes it comfortable to use for long sessions while keeping your hands steady and away from heat when positioning delicate cells. The fine-grained power adjustment with many levels lets you dial in just the right weld strength, from thin mobile phone tabs to more demanding cylindrical cells, without constantly blowing holes through nickel strip. Multiple welding modes and a clear control panel make it straightforward to match settings to different battery chemistries and thicknesses, even if you are not an experienced builder. The large rotary knob and simple interface keep setup quick and intuitive, so you spend more time welding and less time scrolling through confusing menus. It comes with welding pens, a foot switch, nickel strip, and charging cable in the box, so you can start assembling packs immediately without hunting for extra accessories.